In this video, we're going to multiply one rate with units times a second rate with units. Remember, when multiplying fractions, if you have a common factor in the top with a common factor in the bottom, you can cancel those common factors. So in part D here, it says we're taking 25 miles per 1 hour times 1 hour per 60 minutes. And I'm seeing that there is a units of hours in the numerator and a units of hours in the denominator. You want to think of those as common factors, right? It's common units. Hours in the top cancels with hours in the bottom. Now when we multiply fractions, we multiply straight across the top and straight across the bottom. The numerical part of the numerator will be 25 times 1. So the numerical part of the numerator is 25. And in the numerator, we have units of miles remaining. And notice that the units of hours have canceled completely. So only miles remain as the units in the numerator. I'll write my division sign. In the denominator, we have the number parts, 1 times 60. So the numerical part of the denominator is 60. And the units remaining in the denominator are minutes. And again, the hours have canceled completely. So if we divide 25 divided by 60, that's approximately 0.42. And the units of this are miles divided by minutes. And the way that we say that is miles per minute. This rate of speed is 0.42 miles per minute. In part E, again, we have a unit rate times another unit rate. Again, I'm going to seek out any units in the numerator that cancel with units in the denominator. And I see package in the numerator cancels with package in the denominator. I then multiply the numbers straight across the top. 150 times 1 makes 150. And in the numerator, the units remaining are dollars. I multiply straight across the denominator. 1 times 600. So the number part, the numerical part of the denominator is 600. And the units in the denominator are items. Again, there are no more units of package. That's canceled completely. Finally, I'll do the calculation of dividing 150 divided by 600, which is 0.25. And the units are dollars divided by items, which is dollars per item. 25 cents per item, $0.25 per item. And lastly, part F, we have $17 per square foot times 9 square feet per square yard. So the units of square foot in the denominator cancels with square foot in the numerator. I multiply 17 times 9 in the numerator. I get 153 in the numerator. The units in the numerator are dollars. In my denominator, I have 1 times 1, which is just 1. And the units in the denominator are square yards. The numerical part of the answer is 153 divided by 1, which is 153. And the units of the answer are dollars divided by square yards, which means it's dollars per square yard.